YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the vertical slide transition on CapCut Pro. So firstly, open up the app CapCut Pro and create a new movie by clicking the plus sign in the top left corner. Choose any resolution you desire, then click done. Add in a new photo or video by clicking the next plus sign. Yeah. Oh, you know how to do this, right? Okay, good. Now you're going to look for a mirrored picture or video. You don't have to do this, but it looks much more professional if you choose a mirror picture or video. And if you don't know how to do a mirror picture or video, then I will leave my link to my video down below. Okay, so now once I've shot in my clips, sorry, I keep saying video, clips, you're going to click. You're going to double tap. No, I can't speak English today. I'm sorry. You're going to zoom in. Oh my goodness, my phone hates me right now. You're going to zoom in on the photo. I'm saying photo, but I meant to say clip. Okay, just zoom in on the middle one because the middle one is always the best one. But yeah, zoom in on that. And I'm going to do the same thing with this clip. Oh, I was going to say photo. I was going to say video just now. Oh, my mouth hates me today. I'm sorry. Now you're going to double tap on the first clip again, and you're going to create a new transition by tapping the one button, then the plus sign. Choose custom transition and drag the transition bar to the end of the clip. Thank God I said clip. Now tap on the second arrow and scroll to the top or the bottom. I'm doing the top, but you could choose the bottom because yeah. Anyway, you're gonna scroll all the way to the end till you just create a line, which is called a easing type, but whatever, it's known as a squiggly line to me. Then you're going to choose circular in, and you're going to do the opposite for the second clip. So you're gonna click the one button again, then the plus, create custom transition. Okay, yeah, we understood that. Now we're gonna drag it to the beginning this time. We're dragging the transition to the beginning, and we're tapping on the first arrow, and we're going to go to the bottom because we did the top. Now we're doing the bottom. Ooh, no, that's not good. Okay, now we're going to go to easing type, squiggly line, but okay. Then you can choose circular out. Then you're done. This is the finished product.